Hi, this is Sujata. Today I am going to discuss about current affairs from April 17 to April 24. First coming to introduction, today I am going to discuss about international news, national news, business news and science and technology news. First coming to international news, China's GDP grew record of 18.3% in Q1. Gulielmo Lasso, a victory of circumstances. Biden hosts Japan's Suga for first White House summit. China top agenda. US West prepares for possible first water shortage declaration. Israel and Greece sign record defense deal. US China agree to cooperate on climate crisis with urgency. Libya welcomes UN decision to deploy ceasefire monitors. Saudi activist wins top Europe Rights Award. Saudi activist Lausanne Al Hathalal was awarded a top European Rights Prize on Monday in recognition of her fight for women's rights in the kingdom. NASA's Mars helicopter makes history with successful flight on Red Planet. Chad President Dubai dies on battlefield, Army says. EU agency says blood clot rare Johnson & Johnson side effect. China plans 3 billion supercomputing center to analyze data from space. India-China factor in regional prosperity, movement of choice for Pakistan. Former US Vice President Walter Mandela dies at 93. New Zealand to consolidate healthcare into national service. New Zealand announced it will consolidate its fragmented healthcare system into a national service. G to attend Biden's climate change summit in first meeting of two leaders. Russia defends foreign navy limits amid build-up near Ukraine. US offers new tax credit to help for COVID-19 vaccination. Reddit is testing a clubhouse-like audio chat feature. Daily Mail owner sues Google for monopoly over ad business. First woman ever applies to run for president of Syria. Hitting latest vaccine milestone, Biden pushes shots for all. EU proposes rules for high-risk artificial intelligence users. Facebook says Palestinian intelligence used platform to spy on citizens. Facebook said it had disabled accounts used by Palestinian Authority's internal intelligence organization to spy on journalists, human rights activists, and political opponents. Match UK's net zero targets. PM Johnson to tell Biden's climate summit. US Senate confirms Vanitha Gupta as Associate Attorney General. US will rapidly deploy additional support to India amid COVID-19 surge. China to hold talks on building asteroid defense system. International Space Station as per science experiment on Unity. The, the International Space Station is a landmark of international cooperation for over 20 years. It has seen intense collaboration between the US, Russia, EU, Japan and Canada and has played host to people from 19 countries since its launch in 1998. US to resume Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccinations despite rare clot risk. Erdogan Biden agree to build greater cooperation, Turkish presidency says. European Union calls May 25th summit on virus, climate and Russia. SpaceX launches third crew to space station in under a year. US applauds India for stepping up its climate change commitment. Biden to propose raising taxes on wealthy and on capital gains to fund childcare. Coming to national news, India again placed at 142nd rank in press freedom. Keep border issue at appropriate position and focus on long-term ties, China tells India. Poet Shankar Ghosh passed away at 89. Air pollution costs Indian business 95 billion a year. Biden administration denies outright ban on vaccine raw material. Government to provide free food grains to poor under PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana in May-June. States must jointly negotiate uniform vaccine price with manufacturers. US applauds India for stepping up its climate change commitment. The Biden administration has applauded India for stepping up its climate change commitment, including the partnership with the United States to deploy 450 gigawatts of renewable power to meet the ambitious 2030 target for climate action and clean energy. India's leather exports declined 28.3%. Oxygen Express with 70 tons of oxygen to reach Delhi by Monday night. Russia to fly in assistance including oxygen generators and concentrators. Guwahati among two Asian cities in zero waste challenge. 9 panchayatis in Karnataka win national awards. Vignan signs MOU with the ICAR and ICMR. Jagan presents National Panchayat Awards. East Godavari bags 2 national awards. Center contradicts Serum Institute of India on Covishield pricing to purchase at 150 per dose. Next, coming to business news. Government withdraws customs duty on imports of Remdesivir. Bharat Biotech ramps up Covaxin production capacity to 700 million doses per annum. PayPal's Venmo launches crypto buying and selling. US banks deploy AI to monitor customers' workers amid tech backlash. Rajopay raises 160 million, FIM now valued at 3 billion. Microsoft to invest 1 billion in Malaysia to set up data centers, Malaysian PM says. Tamil Nadu bans Subramanian Raman to head Small Industries Development Bank of India. India to become number one EV maker involved, Nitin Gadkari says. IRDA imposes 51 lakh penalty on 4 insurers. Pharma exports grew 18.7%. Custom duty on import of COVID-19 vaccines and medicines, medical oxygen waived for 3 months. RBI restricts American Express Dinners Club from onboarding new customers from May 1st. Credit growth slowed to 59-year low of 5.56%. Turkey probes cryptocurrency exchange for possible 2 billion fraud. Chipmaker TSMC approves 2.8 billion for capacity expansion. How Kerala's startup ecosystem is staying afloat during the pandemic. Farm export rose 16.9% in April-February financial year 2021. Next, coming to science and technology news. Amazon picks launch partner to deploy Project Kuiper satellites. EU proposes rules for high-risk artificial intelligence uses. UK to investigate NVIDIA's ARM acquisition over national security concerns. Daily Mail owner sues Google for monopoly over ad business. Jagan launches zero-interest subvention scheme for farmers. China plans 3 billion supercomputing center to analyze data from space. Ramanathapuram Forest Range Officer S. Satish on winning the International Ranger Award 2021. US banks deploy AI to monitor customers' workers amid tech backlash. Microsoft to invest 1 billion in Malaysia to set up data centers. Google new ad tracking tech to be blocked by WordPress. Founder of Adobe and developer of PDFs dies at age 81. Instagram's new tools to prevent abusive content in direct messages. Zydus Cadilla's antiviral drug gets emergency use nod. Encrypted chat app Signal alleges flaws in Celebrite equipment. Intel defeats VLSI technology in 3.1 billion patent trial. A robot to save drowning people. In first, NASA's Mars rover makes oxygen on another planet. Apple supplier Quanta says no business impact from ransom attack. FB Messenger users in over 80 countries hit by large-scale scam. US senators question Apple and Google on App Store dominance. These are the current affairs from April 17th to April 24th. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.